I'ma head out then.
Big moves, I'm that dude. Bet I see you from the.
Number 7 now in that class. So there's 2 lower than you right now. So just so you know, I'll give you one try. So who's the disciple over here? This little girl that was with you, baby. This right here. Oh dear God, it just got rough now. Lord, Nick, I thought we banned him. Do what? I'm being summoned. I gotta go check my wife out. Hold on.
Stand by. Ready, set, go. 30 seconds. 20 seconds. 10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time. Freestyle. Freestyle qualifying rounds. Lane 2. Team Darkside Danielle. Pro Stock NL class. Competitors stand by.
Alright Danielle, you ready? Here we go.
Ready, set, go.
There you go. Did the windshield? Yep. Yep.
20 seconds.
Got that mirror spot. That's where it started. It's a long ride home, isn't it?
Congratulations!
10 seconds.
Is this the first time in my lane? Oh,
4,
it's so good.
3, 2, 1. Time.
I done popped another cherry.
Yeah.
You need a rerun? Now you're ready for track. You sure? She just turn it up a little bit. Hey, just turn it up a little notch.
How old in it?
Try and get that thing over there. I'll put it on the dash. But you might have to do that one. It's, uh-oh, that one's dirty. You gotta be careful with that windshield. as you don't touch me. Just think about me. You ready? Here we go. Hey, is that baby
Ready.
dormant?
Set. Go.
Yeah, hold on. What'd I do that for? He had me all discombobulated. That's what I do.
DB drag racing qualifying rounds. Lane 2. Team Darkside Danielle. Pro Stock NL class. Competitors stand by.
You ready now?
Ready.
So is this baby dormant?
Set. Go.
He's almost as big as you. 54.7.
Equipment ain't gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.